$200 billion was wiped from the cryptocurrency market after a deliberate and coordinated attack on the UST stablecoin caused the value of Luna cryptocurrency to fall 99%. A lot of people lost a ton of money in the process, but I'm sure that many Luna skeptics probably wouldn't have anticipated a disaster this big. So what the heck happened? The Terra blockchain became really popular when people started to use Anchor Protocol to earn 19.5% return on their UST stablecoins, which is like the cryptoverse equivalent of earning 19.5% interest on your money that's sitting in a bank account. That's pretty awesome yield for what seemed like a low-risk strategy for people to earn great passive income on their UST stablecoins, assuming that the UST stablecoin remains its one-for-one value with the US dollar, because the whole point of a stablecoin is that one stablecoin is equal to the value of the stable asset that it is pegged to, in this case the US dollar. But herein the problem lies. Firstly is that UST is an algorithmic stablecoin, meaning that it is not backed by the stable asset that it's pegged to like more reliable stablecoins. Instead, UST is actually backed by the Luna cryptocurrency, and it retains its one-for-one value through a system of arbitrage where investors buy and sell UST and Luna. Now, it sounds idealistic in principle to have a stablecoin that is completely independent of the fiat currency system, but yikes. I think that we can all agree that the US is probably a more proven and credible backing than the Luna cryptocurrency. The second issue is that the 19.5% yield offered on Anchor Protocol was actually overinflated by double to attract more investors and more liquidity in. And because of this, the Luna Guard Foundation borrowed over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin in case they needed to defend UST's peg to the US dollar. If Luna works so well, why do you need to bring Daddy Bitcoin in to bail you out? But lunatics stayed faithful to Terra and faithful to Anchor Protocol until they couldn't any longer. The final ingredient in this recipe for absolute chaos and disaster was the short attack carried out on the UST stablecoin. Someone with a lot of UST carries out a deliberate and very legal attack on UST by shorting a whole bunch of it, and this causes the UST to depeg from the dollar value, and it also causes the value of the Luna cryptocurrency to decrease. So the Luna Guard Foundation steps in and they start selling those Bitcoin reserves in order to repeg UST to the value of the dollar. But the plan fails and Luna absolutely tanks, and the value of the UST stablecoin completely deviates from the dollar to the point where it's probably beyond recovery.